Welcome to another Trading Psychology podcast. This is season 4, episode 10, the most important skill in trading psychology. Where your fear is where your task is. How much longer are you going to wait before you demand the best for yourself? Such things as a fit body, a calm mind, a home full of love. These things cannot be bought, they must be earned. Triggers. Coaching ourselves to any form of success, including trading, requires an understanding of our strengths and our vulnerabilities. We all have triggers that are associated with the unresolved conflicts and unmet needs that we bring to trading and other aspects of our life. Not as well recognized, though, are our positive triggers that cue us to activate our strengths. If you do not know your positive triggers, you cannot establish processes that cue our success. If we can't anticipate our negative triggers, we can't intercept them before they do harm to our life as well as our trading accounts. Awareness. The most important skill in trading psychology is self-awareness. If we are not mindful or mindfully self-aware, we operate on autopilot, miss opportunities to put our strengths to work, and expose ourselves to emotional triggers that can hurt us. If we know our triggers and can actually anticipate them, we gain significant control over everything we do in life, including trading. Where your fear is where your task is. This relates to self-development in this instance. Positives. A common positive trigger is feeling in a state of flow where we are immersed and operating in the zone. The state of heightened focus is one that sets off our intuitive pattern recognition, allowing us to see opportunities unfolding in real time, particularly when trading or carrying out any repetitive skill. Negatives. A common negative trigger is frustration. For example, when we undergo a loss and become angry, the resulting fight-to-flight response leads us to trade and do things reactively. In this state, we will struggle to clearly see any actual opportunity unfold. Less. Taking regular breaks during our trading or working day and assessing our degree of focus and frustration builds and improves our skills for self-awareness. When we become increasingly able to identify our states in real time, we gain the option of guiding our actions accordingly. Sitting all day can lead to overthinking, overworking, and overtrading. Taking lots and lots of trades, for example, and just trying to maintain this overall pace will see you eventually come unstuck, and in a big way. If you know you're on the ball, so to speak, you can take a meaningful swing at it. If you know you're agitated and not seeing the ball clearly, you can step back, work on your focus, and preserve your capital. That is huge. One good trade. Taken after Mike Bellafiore's book, One Good Trade, the mantra tells us to just focus on the next trade, including what will contribute to making it a positive one. This is an exercise in self-awareness. If we don't know what goes into a good trade and what we need to avoid to prevent a trade from going bad, we can't recover from a loss or build upon a gain by making one good trade. Good traders know the market. Great traders also know themselves. Goals. A goal without a plan equals fantasy. A goal with a plan equals objective. A goal with a plan plus a deadline equals intention. A goal with a plan plus deadline plus consistency equals success. A personal, passionate, meaningful goal plus a plan plus deadline plus consistent action equals fulfillment. Summary. Begin coaching yourself by thinking back through all your life successes to find your one true strength, much like a superpower. Do this exercise also by looking back through your trading history. During this search, examine your losses to find your kryptonite. Market awareness plus self-awareness equals consistently profitable. Your path as a trader is to find your personal superpower and figure how it comes out in your trading. Do this in life as well. Your path as a trader is to find that kryptonite that has created your life's greatest failures and figure out how that shows up in your trading. Do not view yourself as average. You're a superhero with super vulnerabilities. The path to success requires being able to embrace both your strengths and weaknesses. Then you can truly act as your own trading coach.